Okay guys, so in this tutorial we're gonna see how you can use summer statistics in Pandas Python. First of all, what I want you to be doing is importing pandas. So import pandas as PD. After that, I want you to specify a data frame. You can use your own one or pause the video and try it, the one I'm gonna be using right now. So let me go and take this data frame. Great. And I'm gonna be using this one. It has a string, a column with name, and another two columns with numbers. Boom. So this is the data frame that I'm gonna be working with. So let's check out the first summer statistic. You can use the f.mean function to find the mean for each column. Of course, age and height will have a mean because they are numeric columns. This function is gonna be ignoring every column that is not numeric. So the mean of the age is 38 and the mean of the height is 100. We can check out the data and this is probably correct. You can also check the mean for a specific column using the brackets notation. So you can access a specific column using the brackets and the name of the column and then use the dot mean for only that column. And again, it's the same as in the most general function call. After that, you can use summer statistics like mean. This way you can find the mean for each column, or dot max to find the max. Or you can use something that or you can use dot describe, which I really enjoy because by default it has a lot of summer statistics, like the count of elements, the mean values, the standard deviation, the minimum and the maximum, and also some statistics about the quantiles and the range that these values take. And a great thing you can do with df.describe is that you can use the log function to access specific rows of this data frame. So, for example, you may only want mean. You can access mean by using the .log function we have learned in the other tutorials. And you could also do something absolutely amazing. First of all, I want you to be specifying this specific data frame because I'm gonna be teaching you a very simple example about group by. So run this code and then what you wanna do is from this data frame, just keep the sex column and the age column. Okay, so you are gonna be putting a list inside of the brackets. So now the data frame contains only sex and age. You're gonna be grouping with sex. So you use .group by parentheses and call the value of sex and compute the mean. So what this is going to do, it's gonna show you the mean age for each sex. So this is an aggregation operation. So females by default are 58 in our data and males are 28.5 years of age in our data. Another thing you can do with summer statistics is find the value counts. So for example, if we specify data frame brackets and the column we want, we can find how many counts are for each specific element in the sex category. So in our sex category, we have 2 males and 1 female. So the result of this will be male equals 2 and females equals 1. Boom! Exactly. We have 2 males, so that's what value counts does, and 1 females. It counts the number of occurrences of each distinct element in a column. And an alternative way to do this is grouping by sex, accessing only the sex column and doing the dot count operation. The result will be pretty much the same. The only thing that changes, I think, is the resulting type. So for example, here we have a pandas.series, but down below I do not know. So let's run this code using the type. Okay, so both of these are pandas series, but there is a small distinct difference. Here we have sex and we have the sex here as well. Maybe I need to do this, I'm not sure. No. Okay, so there is a small distinct change into the specification of the series object returned. But yeah, so that's pretty much what you wanna be doing to find the value counts and also using grouping by to find some mean statistics per specific parts of the population. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. Press the like button and subscribe.